Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, give you the best of the best and the real at the real. UK bad girl SteffLonDon had her listening party yesterday. Many artists were there, including Shensia, Ding Dong, and Tony Matterhorn. Here's a clip.
I just come early and give you an honey. Only you alone know. What? Love I got for you. You're not ready yet, you see me? Me are number one. Come in the head. Me never know over my head.
Shensia may be giving us another freestyle before the ending of the summer. She posted this on her Instagram. And yes, if you're wondering, good gal won't want the freestyle. Oh, Miss Kitty Blank, because she now has her law degree. Yes, beauty and brain. She posted this on Instagram. Congrats, goodie. Bounty Killa and Alkaline is at war once again. Bounty Killa had responded to someone on Instagram and posted this. Alkaline then responded in his DM, followed by Bounty Killa posting it on Instagram. Many did feel that Alkaline was disrespecting the elders, but Alkaline then cleared it up with this.
Heated and hot over it, saying, oh, I'm dissing people, and me never hear everybody talk about how them are diss me. From ever since my father in the industry, Killa call out my name. You saw me and say, Foota style, man. Me not pay none of them, no mind. Yeah, some people just feel like it is okay for elders to disrespect the youths, but when the youths retaliate, it's a problem. Me not play that game there. You saw me and say, from your diss me, I got diss you. Me not cater who you be or where you fall from.
Friends always support friends. Spice reposted this picture of Pampute promoting her new song, Single Mothers. If you haven't heard it yet, here's a sneak peek of that.
Single mother like myself, yeah. Who fight for give baby love and shelter. Have a child for your man, you go through hellfire. Left with your mother as your only helper. Single mothers all over. Hold up your hand, uno pitney, uno prouder. Only you know the burdens on your shoulder. Don't make your heart get colder. Watch your then. Every mother out there deserve ratings, but single mother we go through beer things.
But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.